As Fawcett said, the secret of imagining is the greatest of all problems, to the solution of which everyone should aspire. And I am here to tell you, if this isn't your highest priority, watch The Count of Monte Cristo. It's on YouTube. I've linked it in previous videos. I'll throw a link in this one, and understand the character, what's happening when he's in prison. He meets the Abbey, and the Abbey reminds him of his truth. He teaches him, the main character, how to see God, how to find God, how to use God. So, what does the character do? He goes out and he uses God, and then he has access to the most amazing, inexhaustible storehouse of treasure, money, gold. Huge. You can't spend it. I don't even know if the guy could give it all away. That's this treasure, what we're talking about right here. That's how valuable this treasure is. It should be your highest priority to solve this mystery. If anything, it's just to use the law. It is the ultimate tool. The ultimate tool. Do you want wealth? Who doesn't? You want health? Who doesn't? Why would you want wealth and not be healthy to actually spend it, right? And who are you going to spend that with? You want love? Who doesn't? What does all that equal? That sounds like you have a lot of freedom to me. What else is left? Oh my gosh, man. I mean, it should be your highest priority. And I mean highest priority. What is it? Okay, let's say it takes you 5 years. How many years do people go to college for? At least 4 on your typical bachelor's. Go for a master's, what's that, 2 more? Oh, let's go for a professorship, okay? So people can call you some letters. They put some letters before your name. How many years does that take? All that effort. If you did this, if you solved this one mystery, if it took you, let's say 4 years, would you do it? Let's make it an Associates of Science degree. You don't even have to take liberal arts. Just a specialized degree, 2 years. Would you do it? At the end of that 2 years, let's say, or 4 years, let's say, just for fun, college degree, what we're talking about right here. Let's say it's a college degree. Would you invest in it if at the end you could create any experience, you could drive any car, you could have any mate, wife, or husband, any bank account? You could have the ultimate wealth. You want a six-pack? You can have it. You want muscles? You can have them. Anything. We're talking about anything. Would you invest the effort? That's the question, and the question is one of responsibility. I'm posing it to you. Would you do it? Would you invest your time, effort, and energy if you knew an inexhaustible treasury is waiting for you? Inexhaustible. Call me crazy.